p.m. on October 21st, 2023, Hyattsville, Maryland police responded to a welfare check on Ardwick-Ardmore Road. Upon reaching the location, they discovered a half-naked body sprawled across the street. The victim was 28-year-old Franklin Mendez. At the time of his death, Mendez had just dropped his sister off for work when he was struck by a car. Despite his body being lodged in the windshield, the driver continued another 2 miles to the crime scene. There, he dumped Mendez's body beside the road. For the next few minutes, the driver took time for a smoke break before fleeing the area. While the driver remains unidentified, his car has been established to be an older model grey Honda Civic with a white decal across the top of the rear window.